In this video, I'm going to show you how to create, find, add or change your YouTube channel art on your computer. Quick tips and full guide channel art tutorial. 1. Sign into YouTube. 2. In the top right menu, select My Channel. 3. Click Customize Channel. 4. Click Add Channel Art or move your mouse over the banner and click on the pencil icon and select Edit Channel Art. 5. Upload a photo from your computer now, or click the Gallery tab to choose an image from the YouTube photo library. 6. Next, preview how the art will appear across different devices. To make changes, select Adjust the crop. 7. Next, click on Select button to confirm. And that's it. Follow the full guide now for how to create, find, add or YouTube channel art. Step 1. To get started, open your browser and go to youtube.com. Step 2. Click on the Sign In button now to sign into YouTube. Step 3. Next, enter your Gmail account to continue to YouTube. In case, if you don't have a YouTube account, there are other video tutorial to learn how to create a brand new YouTube channel. Step 4. Now, in the top right corner, hover over your account icon, and then select your channel. Step 5. Click Customize Channel. Step 6. Move your mouse now over the banner, and click on the pencil icon and select Edit Channel Art. Now you have a few options here. Option 1, you can drag a photo here, or select a photo from your computer. Option 2, if you have linked your account to Google Photos, you can use one of your own photos. You can also create your channel art using image editing software. Option 3, you can choose a photo from gallery. Step 7, go to Option 1, Upload Photos. From here, hover over the text link How to Create Channel Art and click on the link to open it. Now, go and click to read and follow the tips from YouTube for image size and file guidelines. Step 8, use the links in our description now and download the channel art templates. In our next video you will learn how to create professional YouTube channel art banners in Paint. Subscribe now and don't forget to turn on the notification bell to stay up to date. Thanks for watching. Bye.